is Art with OCRV in Anaheim. Hey, we just want to show you this. It's a 2005 Winnebago SightSeer, and we've done a complete remodel on the interior of the coach as well as complete paint on the outside. So we stripped all the old vinyl decals off, and then refinished it in a base coat white, and then the two colors of stripes with base coat, clear coat, little sand and polish. Coach looks brand new. This coach is a specialty vehicle. It does have a wheelchair access spot in it. So we've changed the seating configuration around a little bit. We put some power theater reclining seats in it and wrapped the walls with vinyl and redone the shade surrounds. We've done new carpet, flooring, some backsplash here. Dressed it up quite a bit. It's got, we modified the bathroom to be more access wheelchair friendly for the customer. We built this custom shower pan and opened this up a little bit. We've also trimmed the side of the bed here and had a custom mattress built so she can get her wheelchair in here and access this more easy. As you can see, we've covered the walls in vinyl, gives it a great look. And you know, just real simple stuff, but real usable and dressed up their motorhome really nice. We're here at OCRV, happy to help you. Any interior remodel, refit, service work, and paint work. Have a nice day. Thank you.